In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an item on Facebook Marketplace in 2026, step by step. If you want to sell something quickly and make your listing look more professional, Facebook Marketplace is one of the easiest places to do it. The good news is that the process is very simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can create your listing with confidence. To get started, open your web browser, log into your Facebook account, and look over to the left sidebar. There, you'll find the Marketplace icon, which looks like a small store. Click on that to enter Facebook Marketplace. This is where you can browse listings, manage your selling activity, and create new posts for items you want to sell. Once you're inside Marketplace, look for the button that says Create New Listing. Click it, and a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Item for Sale. This tells Facebook that you're creating a standard product listing rather than a vehicle, home, or another type of post. Next, you'll need to upload photos of your item. Click Add Photos and select images from your computer. Try to use high-quality photos that are bright, sharp, and easy to understand at a glance. Good lighting and clear angles can make a huge difference because buyers often decide whether to click based on the photos alone. If possible, show the item from multiple sides so people know exactly what they're getting. After that, fill in the main listing details. Start with the title, then add the price and select the most accurate category. In the description box, be as specific as possible. Include useful details about the item's condition, size, color, features, or anything else a buyer would want to know. A detailed description not only helps your listing appear more relevant in search, but it can also save time by reducing unnecessary questions from potential buyers. Now confirm your location in the location field. This helps Facebook show your item to nearby buyers. After that, click Next to move on to the delivery method. Here, you'll choose whether the item is available for local pickup or shipping, depending on what works best for you and the type of item you're selling. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Publish. Your item will go live on Facebook Marketplace and people will be able to start viewing it. After publishing, you can manage the listing from your Marketplace dashboard, including marking it as sold or renewing it later if needed. And that's how to post an item on Facebook Marketplace in 2026.